Good afternoon, students. Let us study salts, formation of hydroxides. Hydroxides are insoluble bases and they are also precipitates. This is formed with the help of precipitation or double decomposition reaction. Let us see first example. First example is CaNO3, calcium nitrate is taken. Formula is CaNO3 plus base is taken NaOH. Here this NaNO3 will combine and CaOH twice. CaNOH twice will react. NaNO3 is formed plus CaOH twice. Calcium's valency is 2, both have valency 1. Now this is nitrate, this is soluble salt. This is soluble salt, this is hydroxide. Insoluble hydroxide is formed and its color is white in color. This is white in color. White in color. Let us see next magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride, when mixed with NaOH, it combines and forms this chlorine and Na reacts and then MgNOH reacts. These both are soluble. It forms NaCl plus magnesium hydroxide. Valency of magnesium is 2. This is dull white in color. Third one, FeSO4 plus NaOH. FeSO4 plus NaOH. Fe and Na combines and Na and SO4 combines and Fe and OH combines. This forms sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate, any salt of sodium sulfate is soluble. Then FeOH twice. OH twice is dirty green in color. Dirty green in color. Let us take the fourth example. FeCl2 reacts with NaOH. Fe reacts with OH over here. Here Fe we are taking is 3. Fe is taken 3 valency, so FeCl3. It will form NaCl, which is soluble. All chlorides are soluble, plus FeOH thrice. Hydroxide is insoluble and this one is reddish brown in color. Reddish brown in color. Let us take the next example. Fifth one, zinc sulfate. Zinc sulfate, all sulfates are soluble. We are taking soluble salts and soluble base. Zinc will react with Na. Zinc will react with OH. Na and sulfate will react. It will form Na2SO4. This is soluble salts. Then ZnOH twice. Zinc's valency is 2. This is gelatinous white. Gelatinous white PPT is formed. Next, you can take lead nitrate. This is nitrate, so it is soluble. Again, make it react with NaOH. Na and NaNO3 will react, forming NaNO3 plus PbOH twice, which is chalky white in color. These are insoluble PPTs. So here you saw these all were soluble. This calcium nitrate, magnesium chloride, iron sulfate, iron chloride, zinc sulfate, lead nitrate. These are all soluble salts. These are soluble salts. These soluble salts react with soluble bases and form soluble salt but insoluble precipitate. This is insoluble. Hydroxides or bases or precipitates. This kind of reaction is double decomposition reaction or precipitation reaction. Hope you have understood. Thank you.